Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have sy, s squared and y squared. This is about homogeneous because they have same the degree number 2. Now I will put about s equal to vy. If we do first derivative for the both sides, we have the s over dy. First derivative of v, we have the v over dy. And we have y in here. First derivative of y, you got about 1, so we have v. So we put vy go in here. And vy go in here. The s over dy we change by this one. Now we have y squared, so we simplify. Next, we divide both sides by v squared plus 2. Next, I will put v go to the right. Next, we do common denominator, so we multiply by v squared plus 2 on numerator and denominator. So negative v go in here and here. This one we combine. Now we put this one go to the left, dy and y we put on the right. So we have v squared plus 2 over negative v to the power of 3 negative v, and we have dv equals to dy over y. So we put a negative in here. And now we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will put the negative go to the right. So this one we can do about factorization. So I need to use about partial fractions. So that should be about 8 over v plus b v plus c over v squared plus 1, because this is about degree number 2, so on numerator that should about degree 2 minus 1. That's why we have bv plus c in here. Now we do common denominator. So I will put about a multiplied by v squared plus 1. And then v multiplied by this one, so we have bv squared plus c V. Now we need to arrange based on the term of V. Above V squared we have A plus B. Above V we have CV. Above nothing we have 8. So we look carefully about this one. We see that V squared, so that means A plus B equal to number 1. CV, we don't have V, so C equal to number 0. A equal to number 2. And now we can say that A equals to number 2. C equal to number 0. So because A equal to number 2, if we want to make about coefficient equal to number 1, B should be about negative number 1. So we put A equal to number 2 in here, B equal to negative number 1 go in here, and C equal to number 0 go in here. And now we have this interaction. A we change for number 2, B we change for negative V, and this should be like this. And now we got the final answer. The interaction of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of V minus 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of V squared plus 1, and we put about C. Now we go back to this one. This interaction, that's about this one in here. This one is about ln of the absolute value of Y, and we put about C. About V, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by Y. And then I will put this one to replace for V. Now we go back to the first one, that's about the conditions. That means when S equal to negative number 1, Y equals to number 1. So we put the value in here to find about C. So we put number 1 in here, negative number 1 in here. Similar for this one. So this one is about ln number 1, ln number 1. So we simplify and we just got this one left. This one is about 1. 1 plus 1 is about 2. And we have C in here. Now we go back to this one. And we put this value go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.